welcome back to the channel. Y'all know it's that girl here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, know you're new here. Hello, and stay tuned to keep on knowing me, because Nia is the best person you ever meet. Clock it. Anyway, so before we get into this video, I'm going to give you a little rundown. So right now it's May the 10th and it's Mother's Day. And yeah, your girl's about to shift up some little something because she alone there. Because we are my brothers. I don't know. I really don't know. Well, one of them do there, but the next one I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna cook up some chefing sphere and the things, some actually she want cabbage and bread. So I'm gonna cook up the cabbage and get it. As I say. So stay tuned and ask what to give them. The gift them reach it. So whenever them reach it, see them, you understand me. So yeah, stay tuned and like, share, subscribe, and comment what you think about this video. And comment Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hello. And the things them, yeah. And guys, my birthday comes soon. And the video like drop after my birthday or before my birthday. My birthday is May the 24th, so keep that in mind. Like it, yeah. Yeah! Yeah, but I can know. So catch y'all in the kitchen.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it, and do it. Let's do it all and do it, and do it, and do it, do it, do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, do it, do it, do it. Here we go, we got it all. Here we go,
So guys, guess what another pattern? Drum. Cold foot. Topona. Me want me go put. Tell Shelly Belly sitting on the cold foot. yes guys, Madonna, and this is the presentation. Chicken, cold food, cabbage, rice, and some beetroot and carrot juice. See me I make? Yeah. You can tell me it. Oh, it is.
It's delicious.
Yeah, guys.
This is my little chef coming up. I'm giving God thanks for her. I wish her long life and prosperity so that she can able to prepare meals for me whenever my Mother's Day comes around.
So guys, you have made it to the end of the Mother's Day vlog. Well, cooking video, lifestyle cooking, whatever. Alright, you have made it to the end of the vlog. If y'all don't know what I was cooking, I was cooking cabbage, rice and peas and chicken. Yes, that and cold food. That what I was cooking for my mom for her Mother's Day. I hope you all enjoyed that cooking. I'm hoping to get some tips and tricks on how to cook cold food, fried chicken and things there. I never get to edit a video as good as I want to because I have studying to do, I have exams and them things there. So I'm not really having time. But trust me, after all that's over, y'all will get me. Y'all get to vlogs back to the back every. I'm not sure. I need that schedule, but when I come up with that schedule, y'all will see it. Trust me. And more I start post on Saturdays only because yeah, I think the algorithm on Saturday is great for me. Before I end this vlog, do not forget God in anything that you're doing. Always remember to pray, thank him, and pray to him for forgiveness. When you're doing anything, always remember to pray to God because it's always there and he will answer your prayers if they're supposed to be answered. Okay, so without any further ado, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. How can I do comment shout out if y'all are not commenting? Please remember to comment and watch the video them. Watch the video to the end. Watch everything, okay? Mwah. Love you, and I hope y'all get some tips and tricks on how to cook. Okay? Like it, subscribe. Mwah. Bye.